So, it's nighttime. You look really tired.
I am.
Why are you so tired?
I'm tired of working on that.
Oh, there's something new in the living room. What is it?
It's an alcove for the base relief statue I'm going to make myself.
The what statue you're going to make yourself?
Base relief or the bass relief? I don't know. Wait, no, it's for the fireplace. Yeah, that's what it's for.
So, yes, it would also make a fine alcove for a statue, but that's not what we're doing here. We're putting the fireplace in here. Thomas has been working on this for well over a month. First we poured the concrete slab. I actually took video of that too, so I'll probably post that at some point in time. Anyway, it's all cinder block walls put together with mortar and then plastered over again with another type of mortar, and I think Thomas has done the plastering like 3 times now, right?
There's like 3 or 4 coats of parting.
Really exhausting work.
Some of the cells are grouted, like these first 2 cells here are grouted, the corners are grouted all the way up, and then a cell here and here are grouted with full lengths of number 5 rebar going through.
Yeah. So we've got a few things here in the center of it. One is a air intake to bring cool air from the outside in to feed the fire, and then there's a pipe for propane or whatever, natural gas, whatever, and then a electrical outlet for fans and whatnots. And anyway, this living room, dining room area has been our summer project, and what that means is that I've been looking like this. Here, show everybody how wonderful I look on the weekends.
Covered in joint compound.
Yeah, I've probably put I lost count of the amount of mud that I've put on these walls, but they've been hit about 3 times too, and sort of a rough texture. Can't maybe see it perfectly in the video, but it looks like old plaster. And then we've got bull-nosed edges and coved corners on everything, so there's no sharp lines. It makes for a very visually appealing, softened room. But yeah, we've been at this all summer, and it's been incredible heat waves, and I think it's about 10:30 at night tonight. We got it done about 9:30 tonight, and ate dinner, and now we're going to go to bed. We're exhausted. Good night.